you have to create context, okay? Nobody gets these things fixed. Key replacement. Winston, have you ever lost a key fob?
Yes.
Did you pay to have it replaced?
Yes.
Oh, what did you pay?
$400.
How'd that make you feel?
Angry.
Okay, very angry, I bet. Well, at least you paid for it, because most people don't. And this is this is a fact. 85% of the people who lose a key fob, you know what they do? They take better care of their last key fob, okay? But do they end up paying for that key fob sooner or later?
Yes.
How so?
Because you can't jog without it. Yeah, the
Sure, when you gotta trade
Irrefutable. They can't drive without it. This is why and I know Gary mentioned this. This is why you want to, every customer that trades a car, and you want to say, hey, how many key fobs you got? And if they say 2, high five them. If they say 1, get a look of concern and say, where is that other one? And if they can't find it, well, we'll get into that in just a second. But you want to make sure the customer understands that there is value to these key fobs. How many key fobs will we replace? 2. And we will pay for programming as well, won't we?
Yes.
Yes, we will. All right, so you have to a lot of people don't know how much it costs to replace a key fob. I have a daughter, I have 2 of them as a matter of fact. I got a text one day, this was a couple years ago, from one daughter. She was in Hawaii. She'd moved there, so her car was there, and she said, hey, my key fob came apart and it broke, and I went to the Kia store and they told me it was going to be $250 to replace this thing. Are they trying to rip me off? I said, no, they're not trying to rip you off. She goes, can I go to Home Depot? She went to the University of Georgia, not an institution of higher learning. I said, no, you can't go to Home Depot, because that key fob, this is a computer, okay? It doesn't have a chip in it. Does it require programming?
Yes.
By the way, here's a little factoid for you. Crazy, isn't it? You know how many chips your average passenger car has in it?
How much?
1,300. Okay, this is why the chip shortage is causing so many problems.